How to add about page on your website on Wix. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. As you can see right here, I don't have the about page on my menu. Now all what you have to do is simple. All what you have to do is go to Wix. This is the home page. Now go to the top here, click on add, go down, click on the page option, and it will take you to this page. Click on about, the first one, and choose a template from here. For example, let's choose let's say this one, and wait a few seconds after you click on the template that you want. Now as you can see, you can add your informations from here. You can edit the paragraph, the subtitle and the title, the picture and everything. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.